On this episode, I'm going to be decorating for fall in my entryway. So if you're interested in seeing how it all turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on the budget. Now in today's episode, what I'm doing is getting my entryway a simple makeover for fall. So I thought I'd bring you along and let you see the little touches I add to it. And also, I'm sharing with you a new item that I purchased from Facebook Marketplace. So I'm going to stop talking and let you watch me get my entryway decorated for fall.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. and I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. And I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day, so I never saw your face. Please, what do I have to do to make you go? Baby, it's you. It's you. It's you. It's you. Walk out that door, no, yeah.
Broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry nights I spend wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here, 'cause maybe in time you'll see, maybe I can be all you need. Yeah, lay all your love on me. Mama's here. Oh, I wrote a lullaby for you.
Yeah. Now, for some of you who don't know, those plate, the big plate on the stand, I've had there for a while. It used to be on this table and I changed it up. The little gold lantern there came from Hobby Lobby a couple of years back. The hello came from Family Dollar. And the little orange group of flowers came from the Dollar Tree. Now, this mirror I've had for a while, and I love that mirror. And the flowers here in this vase, a majority of them came from the Dollar Tree, and I've had them for years. And I think it turned out really fall. Now, this flower here, this branch, and this one, they were all purchased from the 99 cents only store. I picked those up. I saw those, and I added them to my collection of already picks that I already have. And I think it came out really pretty for fall, because I'm doing the heavier colors, the burnt oranges and the burgundies this year. Now, here is my other side table, and ta-da, there is my mirror. Now, that mirror is the one I picked up off of Facebook Marketplace, and you'll never believe how much it costs. This one costs $25. Yes, $25 off of Facebook Marketplace. And I brought out the other plate and put it back on the stand. Now, the little burgundy pumpkin, you know, that came from the Dollar Tree, along with the little bushes of flowers. They came from the Dollar Tree as well. Now, these lamps, I've had them for over a year or so. I got those, I think it was Amazon. I think I ordered those lights off of those lamps. I really love those lamps. Everything you see on here I've already had. Most of it was thrifted. The white items at the bottom were thrifted, as well as the clear candle holders. And I was really proud to find the matching mirror, because I had been looking for one like it for about a year and a half now. And when I saw this one on Facebook Marketplace and it was only $25, you know your girl had to snatch it up. Now, it is a little bigger than the other one, but that does not matter. I'm glad I have it. Now, here is my entryway for the fall. I just did minimal touches because I'm a big Christmas decorator, but I did minimal touches on each table to set it up for the fall. I didn't want to overdo it. I didn't want to put too much on there. So I kept it small and put all the flowers in the vase in this niche. So let me know what you think about my entryway decor. I love reading your comments, and I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.